Hi, this is Danshu Jain, founder of Premium Learnings. Hope you are doing great, fantastic, phenomenal, and awesome. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very simple topic: how to choose your career option. It can be both ways. Even if you are a fresher, you are deciding which way you should go forward, or you want to move out of your current skill and pick out a new opportunity, a new career option, which can give you better career growth or better salary, I would say. So you need to understand one thing, that what is the base of choosing a career option? Is it what everybody else is doing? Let me do that as well. Everybody is learning data science. I'll learn data science. Is everybody going for full stack development? I will also go for full stack development. Is everybody going for database administration? I'll also go for data administration. This is what most of the people are doing. Why? Because they are not able to deeply research about what is good for them, what can help them to grow faster, right? We'll talk about what exactly you should do. Second is about things which are very flashy. What I want to say is, like, I've met a lot of people, especially I'm talking about the freshers, juniors, entry-level professionals, who only take their career decision based on things which looks very flashy. Whatever is appearing on Instagram, they pick those topics and start preparing for them. But one thing you should understand, that what is the goal of a career switch or choosing out a career, that you should be successful in that, right, in long term. Because I'm not talking about a job here, because job, everybody will get a job if you are decently prepared. I'm talking about how you can be very successful in your career for next 30, 40, 50 years down the line, right? Job is for maybe 2 years. After 2 years, you'll switch a job, but career is long lasting. So think from that perspective. The first thing we should keep in mind while picking up a career is that it should have a long-term growth. It is not about just getting your first job, right? A lot of people are picking up AI right now, that I want to become an AI consultant, AI analyst, whatever, right? They don't even know what is the future of AI. Whatever they are informed about is only because of the Instagram reels or YouTube videos. There was no past of AI, right? AI came into picture, which was known to us actually, which is accessible to us, came in 2023 only. I'm recording this video in 2026. That means just 4 years from now, there was no AI accessible to us, at least, right? Definitely it has got a great future, but you need to understand that you are learning a skill which is changing every day. So maybe 6-7 months down the line, whatever you have learned will become obsolete after 6 months. Try to understand that. It's a very serious topic. A lot of people are wasting lakhs and lakhs of rupees just doing courses after courses after courses, right? I'm not saying that, I'm not denying that AI will be growing very well, but you need to understand that it is just not about the growth of AI, it is about your growth as well. So point number 1 is, don't just go for everything which is flashy. Take a wise decision, think about it, note it down, right? Talk to experts. Second, whether it is doable by you. Now, this question is very serious. Like, many people might get offended by this, that what are you saying, we can do everything? No, you can't do everything. If you are a average student, 10th 12th mein marks nahi hai, or degree bhi it is an average, and you end up getting into data science, right? The problem is that you are targeting something which is way beyond your approach. Even if you are trying to achieve it, it will take a longer time. Try to understand it. I have met a lot of people who have done BCom, who have done Bachelor of Arts, and they have jumped into data science. आपने 10th के बाद मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ी और आप data science के algorithm समझ रहे हैं. Are you getting my point? It is very difficult, and they are finding it difficult as well. And when you are getting into this particular thing, they, instead of completing a course in 6 months, they are taking 1 year, 1.5 years to even understand the basics. Why? Because there is no background around it. इस चीज को समझिए. Please try to understand it, because if you are not honest about your assessment, you will end up doing something which is very superficial. तो ये second point है कि जो achievable है उसको target करना है. Ideally, it should not take more than 3 to 4 months for you to prepare for a new job role. Even if you are making a career switch, technology switch, whatever. 3 से 4 महीने से ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए, because उसके बाद आपका focus चला जाएगा अगर result नहीं मिलेगा तो. Right? Third point which you should focus on is finding out a mentor. I found my mentor about 24 years ago, and he is still my mentor right now. I was very fortunate to find him very early in my life. But if you got a good mentor in your life, वो लाइफ लॉन्ग चलता है। आप उसको कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हो, कभी एक्सेसिबल है, लिंक्डइन पे बात कर सकते हो, बिकॉज थिंग्स विल चेंज इन फ्यूचर. Your mentor will grow more faster than you because that person is more smarter than you. It can be anybody. It can be somebody who is a bit senior than you, more successful, more talented, right, more hardworking, who understands the market very well. It should not be like आप अपने बड़े भाई बहन पर ही limited रहो. That's fine. Many people consider their elder siblings as their career mentor. That's fine. But try to understand that your siblings, your parents want to see you comfortable. Your mentor want to see you successful. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग स्टेटमेंट. अगर आप उसको ध्यान से सोचेंगे तो आपके भाई बहन आपको सेफ सलाह देंगे. मेंटर आपको कभी कभी भी बहुत ही रैशनल सलाह देगा कि भाई ये तो करना ही है, भले आपको तकलीफ हो, रात को 2 घंटे सोने मिले, लेकिन ये कल तक करना ही है. एंड इफ यू डू दैट इट विल मेक यू वेरी सक्सेसफुल. सो दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन योर कंफर्ट, दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन योर सक्सेस. सो ऑलवेज फाइंड अ मेंटर हु कैन पुश यू हार्ड beyond your comfort levels as well. Right? If you need any help, I'll give you a form, fill up this form. We conduct a lot of free workshops. Come in those workshops, learn from that and implement it. Right? We can help you out in that perspective. But the point is, there are a lot of great people around you. आप किधर भी रहते हैं, छोटे से छोटे शहर में भी amazing लोग हैं इंडिया में. Try to find out good mentors, follow their process, execute it, and you'll become successful. And finally, if you are starting to prepare for one particular skill, try to understand, don't leave that skill for before 3 to 4 months. ये ध्यान रखिए. अगर आपने जल्दी किया, like if you are thinking कि 15 दिन ये पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर 15 दिन ये पढ़ लेंगे, फिर आप you are not an expert of anything. Now this is very challenging. If you are not an expert of anything, then believe me, you will be trying to learn a lot of things which you are not good at. You are just overviewing them. Overview will not help you to find an opportunity. So think from the perspective that the career is long term and you are going to invest a lot of time, money, energy in your preparation. So take your decision wisely. If you need any help, I'm giving a form. You can fill up the form. My team will contact you. We can help you in that. We conduct a lot of free workshops. Please do attend that. But take a decisions to grow in your life. All the very best.